welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave us comments down below. I have a quick juice I want to share with you, and it's beets and ginger, and it's good for arthritis. Let me tell you, it's very good for arthritis. I have bad arthritis in my hand, and I tell you, give me support. So I know when you see my channel and you try it, you're gonna give me thumbs up because it's very good. So I'm gonna wash my veggie and I come back to you. Okay guys, here I come back washing my ginger. I take some of the skin off, I wash it properly. So I do the same thing with the leaves. Okay, now I'm cutting up my ginger, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the ginger first because I want the remain to boil tea. It's very good, very, very good. So okay, I'm going to cut my beets now. Okay, you can use a juicer if you don't have a blender, anyone you prefer. Okay, my ginger is finished, so I'm going to strain my ginger off. So rich and nice. And I'm going to use my remaining trash to boil tea. That's why I put my pot here. It's very good for tea. So, that's it. Okay guys, I finished my ginger, so I'm starting my beetroot now. Okay, my beetroot, wow, wow, it looks so nice. Okay guys, this is my ginger and this is my beets, and why I do both different not together is because I want my ginger trash to boil my tea. Yeah, here you go. I'm gonna boil it and make a tea. So that's why I didn't put both of them together, but you can put both of them together if you don't want a ginger trash to boil your tea. Okay, I'm gonna mix them together. Okay. Right. Okay, and I'm gonna taste. No, this is good. I'm asking you can drink a half glass 2 times a day, and it's very good for your arthritis. And it have a nice taste. No sugar added, just the beets and the ginger. Okay, thank you again for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comments down below. Bye bye.